Welcome to Luxury on Wheels TV, my YouTube channel. Today, we bring you the ultimate look at the 2026 Kenworth T2000, a true masterpiece in the world of luxury motorhomes and long-haul trucking. This isn't just a truck, it's a fusion of performance, innovation, and opulence that redefines what it means to travel the open road in style. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 comes with a bold new exterior that combines aerodynamic sophistication with raw trucking power. Kenworth has fine-tuned the shape to improve fuel efficiency without compromising the truck's dominating presence. The new front grille is massive yet sleek, giving it a futuristic edge. LED matrix headlights are intelligently integrated, adapting to light conditions and enhancing road visibility at night or in rough weather. Chrome accents line the mirrors and bumpers, adding that touch of polished aggression that truck lovers admire. Under the hood, the T2000 roars to life with a 15-liter PACCAR MX-15 engine, delivering over 605 horsepower and an astonishing 2,200 lb-ft of torque. It's not just powerful, it's smart too. The engine management system adapts to load and terrain, optimizing fuel consumption mile after mile. Coupled with a 12-speed automated transmission, gear shifts are smooth, intelligent, and precise, making even the steepest climbs effortless. Whether you're hauling freight or using it as the foundation for a luxury RV conversion, the T2000 delivers the muscle and reliability that professionals demand. Climb inside and you're greeted by a cabin that feels more like a private jet than a truck. Kenworth has truly pushed the boundaries of cabin design in the 2026 model. The driver's seat is an ergonomic marvel, fully adjustable, ventilated, and wrapped in premium Nappa leather. The steering wheel is multifunctional, with tactile buttons that control everything from media to cruise settings to digital dash modes. The entire dashboard has been redesigned to feature a panoramic 24-inch curved digital display, giving real-time data, 3D navigation, and entertainment access in one seamless view. Just behind the driver's cockpit is where the magic really begins. The sleeper cabin in the T2000 isn't just a bed, it's a suite. The 2026 model includes a full-length memory foam mattress, ambient LED lighting with customizable color settings, and a built-in massage chair. There's a retractable 40-inch OLED smart TV connected to a satellite receiver, Netflix, and a surround sound system that rivals many home theater setups. For digital nomads, a folding workstation with high-speed 5G internet and wireless charging pads makes remote work feel natural and productive. Storage space is generous and smartly designed. Overhead compartments are now pressed to open with soft-close hinges. Below the bed, you'll find dual climate-controlled drawers for snacks, drinks, or even cosmetics. The mini kitchenette option includes a retractable sink, a compact induction cooktop, and a mini fridge with a freezer compartment. This is more than just a truck, it's a self-contained luxury apartment on wheels. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 also scores high in safety and autonomous tech. It features Kenworth's latest Copilot AI system, which includes lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. With 360-degree cameras and radar sensors, it can automatically adjust to traffic flow, weather conditions, and driver fatigue. The AI even offers spoken alerts and suggestions, turning long hauls into more manageable, less stressful experiences. Another standout innovation is the Eco-Drive system. With rising fuel prices and environmental concerns, Kenworth has taken a step forward by integrating hybrid drive assist. While it's not fully electric, the T2000 uses regenerative braking and energy recovery during downhill motion to power cabin utilities and reduce fuel consumption. Over a 500-mile haul, this technology can save up to 12% on diesel, a game-changer for owner-operators and fleet managers alike. Customization options are endless. You can opt for a luxury RV conversion with a full living room, designer bathroom, and expandable slide-out sections. Or keep it traditional with high-end finishes and enhanced sleeper comfort. The paint options have also expanded, with 10 new premium finishes, including matte titanium, pearl blue, and obsidian black chrome. Each T2000 comes with RFID keyless entry, remote climate preconditioning, and biometric startup, a first in the industry. Maintenance has never been easier. The 2026 model includes a self-diagnosing system connected to the Kenworth cloud service. This means any potential issues are flagged in advance, parts are ordered automatically, and your truck is always ready when you are. Routine updates and software improvements happen over the air, ensuring the T2000 evolves with time and stays at peak performance. But perhaps what truly sets the 2026 Kenworth T2000 apart is the driving experience. It glides smoothly across highways, handles tight turns with surprising grace, and delivers unmatched ride quality, thanks to its air suspension system and chassis stability control. Drivers have praised it for reducing fatigue during long hauls, and co-drivers appreciate the peaceful ride in quiet cabin, even at full throttle. If you're looking for the pinnacle of trucking combined with modern luxury, look no further. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 isn't just a step ahead, it's a leap into the future. Whether you're a fleet owner, a luxury RV enthusiast, or a trucking connoisseur, this vehicle demands your attention and respect. It's not just a truck, it's a revolution on 18 wheels. Thanks for watching this in-depth review of the 2026 Kenworth T2000 here on Luxury on Wheels TV. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the most luxurious vehicles hitting the road.